Namaste friends. Hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. Today we'll talk about a very critical problem, that is hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids or piles. Hemorrhoids are swollen and dilated veins in the lower rectum and anus. They may be internal inside the rectum or external around the anus. They cause pain, bleeding, itching, and discomfort during stool. The main causes and common causes are chronic constipation, straining during stool, low fiber diet, sedentary lifestyle, pregnancy, obesity is also one factor, chronic diarrhea if there, then also liver congestion and prolonged sitting, heavy weight lifting. Signs and symptoms are, in case of internal hemorrhoids, painless, bright and red bleeding during stool. Bright and red bleeding during stool. In case of internal hemorrhoids, mucus discharge, prolapse of piles, mass, feeling of incomplete evacuation. In case of external hemorrhoids, painful swelling around the anus, burning and itching is there, tender bluish and lump. Bluish lump. Difficult sitting, cannot sit. Sometimes thrombosis, that is the clotted piles. In case of acute hemorrhoids, sudden severe pain, inflammation and swelling, burning sensation, bleeding during stool, hard tender piles. These are the acute hemorrhoids. In case of chronic hemorrhoids, just listen carefully. In chronic cases, recurrent bleeding is there, prolapsed piles is there, weak digestion, chronic constipation, itching and irritation around anus. Homeopathic treatment. In acute cases, Aconite napellus is a very top-ranked medicine. The aconite symptoms are sudden inflammation, acute pain with anxiety, early stage piles. This is the aconite nap in acute cases. Then coming the second medicine, that is belladonna. Red inflamed piles. Throbbing pain is also there. Heat and burning is also there. Third medicine is coming Hamamelis virginiana. Hamamelis, in case of Hamamelis, profuse bleeding, sore bruised feeling in rectum, best for bleeding piles. Then one top medicine is coming Rathania. In case of Rathania, severe burning pain after stool, pain lasts for hours, anal fissure with piles. In case of chronic cases, medicine is coming Nux vomica, a top-ranked polycrest remedy. Constipation with ineffectual urging, sedentary lifestyle, and temperament is very irritable. Then our second medicine is coming sulfur, burning piles, early morning stool, itching and redness of anus. These are the symptoms of sulfur. Then one very good medicine is coming, that is the Aesculus hippocastum. Aesculus hippocastum Piles are purple piles. Severe back pain with piles, and stool is always very dry. Then Collinsonia canadensis is a very good remedy. In chronic constipation, piles during pregnancy, filling of stick in rectum. Filling of stick in rectum is the main symptom of Collinsonia. So friends, now you just take the general advice. Always take the high fiber diet. Drink plenty of water. If lukewarm water is available, then it is very good. Avoid prolonged sitting. Do regular exercise. And avoid excessive spicy food. Too dangerous. So friends, that's all for this clip. Thank you. Long live Homopathy, long live Hanuman.